Saul's 1 to 64 cars, and today I will be unboxing a semi-container truck posted to me all the way from China, purchased by eBay, and on the box it says 1 to 50 scale, but I think it's actually 1 to 64 scale, which is why I bought it, because I like 1 to 64. So we will start unboxing. So here it is, a Jing container lorry and Evergreen container. And then on the top you've got functionality, so the doors open on the cab, doors open on the back of the container, pivots and unlocks. And on the back, choice of colours. And on the rear, Jing toys at 163.com. So let's free the piece. And it says 150 scale on the box. Like I said earlier, this is not 150, it is 1 to 64. It's quite nice, this packaging. You don't have to undo any ties or screws, straight out of the box. So here we go. And wow, the container is metal, all metal, which is not that common. Just gives added weight to the piece, added durability. Yeah, I can say I'm honestly pleased with this. So let's just check the scale, because like I said, that is important to me. This is a corgi, which is slightly narrower, I think, than some 1 to 64s. There is a slight difference, but it's so negligible. I've got some tarmac works containers, and yeah, okay, there's a slight difference. We're talking millimeters, but you know, for me that's enough. So the Advan is wider than the corgi, but just slightly narrower than the Jing one. But I like these Jing trucks so much because they've just got so much detail on it. I mean, you know, look at the back doors there. We focus, if we zoom in. Oh, I can't zoom in. We'll bring the camera closer. Just the detail on the back of the trailer. Okay, so if I'm being honest, it's probably near a 1 to 62 scale or something like that. But you can compare it with many other 1 to 64 trailers and semis, and it'll fit in quite well. So there is a Hot Wheels car, yeah, and you know, that looks fine with it. So upon closer inspection, these cabs, which I've already learnt, have drivers in them, and again, he's not wearing any trousers. Maybe he's wearing trousers which are the same colour as skin, but there you go. So in terms of play value, yeah, it's quite high in there. Is that door? Oh, that door's a bit wobbly. Okay. And do the rear doors open? Let's have a look. I think they do. Wow, look at that. All metal. And yeah, there is nothing in there. It just goes all the way to the front. That's a really good sized trailer. And those doors close really nicely. So it's just really nice at this price point to have something which has so much detail on it, such a well-made product, and you just can't get this in UK shops. So and usually 2/3 of the toy is going to be plastic, whereas this is in all metal, completely metal, except for these little guards on the side, and that's just really nice. So in a minute I will do some close-up photographs, and you can enjoy those to some music. I'm going to try and find a different piece of music this time. And shortly in the future I will do a review of all 4 of those trucks which I bought from China together, so you can get some, just have a really nice comparison of them all. Okay, so thanks for watching and speak to you soon.
I remember something so bright then. I was really trying not to cry then. I was really hugging you goodbye then. You can have my MP3 when I'm dead. Play this shit and listen to what I say.